is my Christmas special. Happy birthday, Jesus.
VagaBondVito.
So I found this little filthy, secluded beach near here. So I'm gonna go clean it up a little bit. This beach is close. It's right down the hill. So here we go, cleaning beaches for Jesus in the rain. Merry Christmas. So anyways, I almost just killed myself on the way down. Hands a little jazzed up, but anyways, it's raining, it's coming down, but I promised myself I would do this today. So, gotta get it done, gotta get it done. All right, let's burn through this quick so I don't get sick, right? So I don't even know what this stuff is here, but it's gotta go. Yeah, it seems like the problem is styrofoam and just like insulation. Look at this filth. Filth on the beach, baby. Filth on the beach. All right, so the rain stopped and it actually feels pretty good out here. It's a lot more than I thought, though. Cleaning house, baby. All right, 6 bags and done. I did the best I can. Hagen from Berlin's about to go take a dip.
All right.
Taking the cold plunge. Lucky him, right? I cleaned the beach for him for a nice dip. You gonna help me carry the bags? I got 6 of them.
What is your name?
VagaBondVito. All right, that's a wrap. Gotta go find a dumpster. Merry Christmas.
VagaBondVito.